In this video, let's talk about how to fix Google account not verified. So if you're facing this issue, in order to solve this, you must first of all complete the email or phone number verification or just log in through a trusted device. So the first thing that you need to ensure is that you are using a trusted device, meaning a device that you may have previously used as well. But however, if that is not the case for you or you cannot do that, you'll also need to verify that you're using the registration link. If you have created your Google account using a non-Gmail address such as Yahoo or Outlook, your account will not work until you verify the ownership of the outside email. So you just need to check the inbox of the alternative email that you used to sign in, and you should be able to find the verification link being displayed. So once you follow this step, you should be able to solve this issue. But however, if the issue still persists, the other thing that you can try out is try to bypass via the Google official recovery page. So just open up a web browser of your choice, specifically Google Chrome, which would be much easier for you. Search for Google account recovery and head over to the first link, which will then prompt you to add in your phone number or email address that is linked with your account, and just follow the on-screen prompts so that you can recover or gain access of your account, and your account should also be verified. So this is the exact way that you need to follow in order to fix the Google account not verified. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.